So I'm waiting for my Didi. Didi is what they call Uber here actually. And then I'm going to see 3D printing factory. I'll try to see what's possible. And I mean, that's basically the reason I came here. Because the manufacturing possibilities are just on a completely different scale and level. So I'll see what's possible, and based on that I'll sketch up some project, try to manufacture it. Come with me. I'll try to film it inside. Seems like I've arrived. Hi, nice to meet you. Hi, nice to meet you.
So our machine also printed beautiful line.
Yeah.
Printed.
Oh, okay.
Sure.
Yeah.
It will be because it is
Oh, wait.
made by.
所以打印过程是在这边进行的，那边是来补粉。
So like they make the main part here and then they cut into pieces in other printers.
是
So there's a lot of handwork involved.
这个就是处理完成的，你看。
Oh, this is a
枪
gun.
Yeah, this one.
Wow.
对，你看到了，这个是处理前的表面，可以看到有明显的区别。这个
So you have like a business company or just like
Yeah, I have a company in Netherlands, but it's, it's an artist practice.
Oh,
Yeah.
love the third.
跟那边一样，也是树脂车间和这个全彩。手工做。
Yeah, this is clay and then they will call
MGF。
MGF.
Oh, okay.
比较脆。咱们可以打印这个色。这里也有。
Actually, it's on this floor, but it's like.
That's what I'm curious about. This one's printed. Okay.
这边也是处理车间，跟那边是一样。
Oh, they're having their lunch break.
Yeah.
各种做成工艺。
Same as you just saw. 这个一个部分吗？
对对对。
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like it, yeah. It was crazy. Like there was lots of resin printers, huge ones, and all kinds of new technology. They make the printers, but there was lots of people also eating right next to the fucking resin printer. I mean, I can barely breathe after being there. Like I feel my nose being swollen, and these people were just like living and eating and spending 9 hours a day there. So that's pretty hardcore. But I guess safety standards are not a concern when you're cutting price. He walked me through the whole factory, showed me everything, and yeah, now I'm here with nothing around. Look, it's just factories after factories after factories. I was looking for 3D printing, and usually when you do this kind of search in Google, you get a service, like 3D printing service, and like someone in your city is doing 3D printing. Here, you get mostly 3D printing manufacturers. so 3D printer manufacturers. It's like whoever's manufacturing the 3D printers. So this company I went to see, they not only print on demand, but they also manufacture the printers, which is so crazy. Because I mean, if you think about it, so much of the economy in like Western world is like machine based. So many of these machines are made in China. They facilitate the entire economy for the whole world. Look at this view. I think somewhere right there behind that building actually is the tallest building in China, the Shanghai Tower. But yeah, it's the perspective, so you can't see it. But crazy, it's all high rises, all high rises, huge.